Welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me, Epson XP-8700 series, and I'm going to show you how to enable or disable bidirectional printing. So, bidirectional printer this is the mode. Bidirectional printing is the mode where the printer prints in both directions to increase speed. Turning it off can improve print quality if needed, but it will make your printing slower. So open settings, open printer setting, scroll down, find bidirectional and disable it if you want to increase the printing quality. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye.